Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are the damn guys? In today's video, I really want to share my fragrances with you. I have a collection of fragrances that I normally use, and I also got some new fragrances that I'm going to be opening today. I haven't opened them yet. And yeah, that's what this video is about. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below, and also tell me if you know any one of these perfumes or colognes that I'm going to be talking about. So we're going to run through them and see how they smell and so, but we're first going to talk about the ones that I'm using now, my basic scent. That if you come and you see me, you hug me up, and that's your smell. So every day I use the Fresh Coconut Vacation from Bath and Body Works. So when I take a shower, I normally just spray this all over my body, and then now the mist of it just clean on my skin. So this is one of my basic scents that if you smell me any day, chances are I'm gonna smell like this. The other scent that I use on a day-to-day basis. Sometimes I don't use perfumes or colognes or body splash or anything because I have really bad sinus. But when I do, I use my Vera Wang Princess. But when I use this, I'm going to spray all over my body. I just go so behind my ears and I'm done. So these two are my basic scents. The other scents that we'll be looking at, we will be smelling them as we go along because I don't know what they smell like and stuff. Okay, the first one that I'm gonna try out now that I haven't smelled, I got this a while ago. This is really for me. I use both cologne and perfume, and it was smelling good at the time, but I haven't used this yet. This is a Newport Double Black. I think this is a popular perfume. This is a popular cologne, so we're gonna smell it now and see what it smells like. Whew, this is strong. Smell really good, but it kind of strong. I would wear this every single day because I don't like strong perfumes or cologne. But it smells damn good. It smells good. So I can wear this. I threw that behind my ears when I'm ready. Yeah. But it's really strong. I feel like this is gonna last on you for a very long time. So you don't need much. This through your smell, and it smells really, really good. It smells like, I don't know what they smell like. It smells like a really nice perfume. Cologne. So, yeah, that's that. We're gonna look on the other one. Okay, this one is the Arctic Blue for Men. This is from the Cool Water line. This is called the Cool Water version for men. I was introduced to the Cool Water version by a company called T-Get the other day. I didn't know that they were the distributors of Cool Water cologne and perfume. So this is the first time I'm gonna smell this one. Oh yeah, you were showing me this the other day. Yeah, the Arctic Blue for Men, it has a ocean smell, you know. It's not strong, it's very cool and calm, nothing like that. This is something that I could wear every day and I won't trigger off my sinus. So if you have sinus problem, men and women, you can try this cologne, Arctic Blue for Men Cool Water version by David Off. Really nice. Okay, so this one that we'll be looking at right now is the BC Collection Dural Collection, and this is perfume for women. It's Swing in Dreams with a Z. So we're gonna see how this one smells. Ooh, the bottle is nice. That one could both type on the bottle and a little fancy top. This one smells okay. it's not too strong again. It has a light smell, you know, like springtime. You know, strong, and that what I like about it. This will fit in well because it's not strong. I don't know if it trigger you off or anything, and I really like the presentation of the bottle. So this is Swing in Dreams, and it's the DC collection for women. So this one that we'll be looking on right now is called the Channel Blue Pure Home. It's from the New Range brand. So we are gonna see how this one smells. Guys, tell me if you like my new little setup with the SkyLife cushion and stuff in the background. Very nice. Like body primer. This one is nice. This one is nice, but I don't think this is something that I'll be wearing every day. I feel like this one will trigger my sinus. Has a little scent that I don't really know. After a while, it's not smell that bad, but it's alright. It's not one of my favorites so far. You don't know, my favorite is the Vera one. Okay, guys, so this one that we'll be looking on is the Us 2, and this is from the DC collection as well. And the one that I tried before from the DC collection, it smelled really nice, so I would want to think that this smells nice too. Ooh, I really like the presentation of the bottle. How do I take this off? They cover really nice. Let me see if it's a spray or perfume, cologne. This says spray, so I think this is for ladies. Perfume, yeah. Still this smell. This one is really soft and nice. This is like the DC collection ones that I've tried before on the line. I really like them. They are soft. They are not gonna trigger off your sinus. They are subtle, you know. And I think I like the DC collection. Yeah, this one is really nice. It's really nice, and this can use as a nice gift. Like if you have a girlfriend, Us 2. The name of it is really nice. So the last one that we will be looking on is it's from the Merange brand again. We have two colognes from the Merange brand. This is the Romantic Chick Pure Femme. So this is a ladies perfume. Obviously from the name, Romantic Chick. I like the box. The box is very nice. You can use that nice little gift too. I really hope this one smells good and the presentation. Ooh, the bottle is nice. So let's see what this one smells like. This one is, it smells good. The other little really smells good. Like as a lady, like when you step in the crowd in this color, this perfume, you're gonna stand out. Romantic Chick. I really like it. I really like how it smells. Only one of them so far, I believe that it will trigger off my sinus, and it's the Challenge Blue, because it kind of has a strong scent. And the double, and the Newport Double Black is kind of strong, but it's still really good. If we go trigger off my sinus, like when I still want to wear it. The one I love the most though is really the Vera Wang Princess. When I put this on, I don't need to put on anything else for the rest of the day. The scent sticks with me right throughout, and I really like it. You know, stain my clothes, you know. I would recommend this one if you're gonna get any one out of the ones that I spoke about. It's the Vera Wang Princess. It really stands out. It really smells good. and this can be an everyday perfume as well as a going out perfume. Yeah, so guys, this is the end of my video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, and please list your cologne slash perfumes that you use daily below in the comment section so I can see which one you guys are using and see if I can match up to it, or you know. So yeah, see you on the next video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Later.